Hi, I'm Tom Peters with Applied Visual Communications. We're here at GovComm and trying to reach one of our client bases, which is the government community. At our booth today, we're highlighting 3 different products. The ThinkLogical line of high bandwidth KVM switching systems, which are unique in their ability to transmit very high resolution graphics and provide KVM as well as simply video. We also have multi-touch systems from Perceptive Pixel, which is a unique system. This one that we're looking at here is a 55-inch display that can be lowered into a flat panel, a sand table type orientation, or the orientation it is shown here, which is a kind of a drawing board, drafting board angle, or bring it up to full vertical, and it moves up and down as well as going down flat, all self-contained, all motorized. It's a very unique system. Be happy to share more. The final product that we're showing here is a Telemedicine Cart. It's wireless, battery operated, so this entire cart can be rolled around a medical facility. It is FDA approved for patient contact. All of the surfaces are antimicrobial, and it is like I said, approved for patient contact. We can attach many devices, anything from digital stethoscopes to the small exam camera that you're looking at here. Applied Visual Communications is focusing on helping people to maximize their return on investment of existing systems as well as showing new product. Everybody's budgets in this day and age are have been shrunk, have been modified, have been at best flat, and we're focused on helping people to maximize the existing equipment through services, maintenance, repair, and continuing upgrades without having to do forklift upgrades. So we're focused on helping people to maintain and recycle and reuse. So, thank you.